Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the electrophilic aromatic properties of phenol. The OH group of phenol is ortho and para-direct. What does it mean? It will form ortho and para isomes. Our first property is nitration. Our first property is nitration. Which dilute nitric acid. With dilute nitric acid at low temperature. At low temperature, it forms ortho and para nitrophenol. Ortho and para nitrophenol. The equations are with concentrated nitric acid, it forms 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Trinitrophenol. Picric acid. Picric acid. The equation is concentrated nitric acid Dear students, we are today discussing electrophilic aromatic substitution. The OH group of phenol is ortho and para direct. The first property we are discussing here is nitration. Phenol with dilute nitric acid at low temperature gives ortho and para nitrophenol. What it is giving? Ortho and para nitrophenol. Please check one thing. What does it mean? Ortho and para. This is your phenol. We are treating it with dilute nitric acid at low temperature. This is your phenol, ortho, meta, pen. Ortho, meta, pen. This is your ortho nitrophenol. And this one is your para nitrophenol. And so what it is giving at low temperature and dilute nitric acid, orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol. But when it is treated with concentrated nitric acid, now we are treating it, nitration is carried out with concentrated nitric acid. It gives 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, also called picric acid. Please keep in your mind that how did you obtain picric acid from phenol? This question was asked number of times in board examination. So the answer is, when nitration is carried out with concentrated nitric acid, we get 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, also known as picric acid. So this is your phenol. Treating it with concentrated liquid. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. Trinitrophenol, also called picric acid. Please revise it as many times as you can. Please revise nitration as many times as you can. Okay, I am going to repeat nitration one more time, then we will move towards other reaction. With dilute nitric acid at low temperature, phenol gives ortho and para nitrophenol. With concentrated nitric acid, we get 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, also known as picric acid. Yes, now I am going to rub it and going to write another reaction. Our next reaction is sulfonation. Sulfonation. With concentrated sulfuric acid with concentrated sulfuric acid at room temperature. At room temperature, orthoisomer is formed, and at 374 K, para-isomer mainly obtained. This is your equation. You will write here phenol in the center, concentrated H2SO4, 374 K, concentrated H2SO4, room temperature. Orthophenol sulfonic acid. Para-phenol sulfonic acid. Dear students, this is the second property we are going to discuss under the head electrophilic aromatic substitution. With concentrated sulfonic, with concentrated sulfuric acid at room temperature, orthoisomer is formed. At 374 K, para-isomer is mainly obtained. We will write in the center phenol. On the left hand side, we have written concentrated sulfuric acid at room temperature. The product will be orthoisomer, that is orthophenol sulfonic acid. But at 374 K, the product is paraphenol sulfonic acid. So the difference is at room temperature we are getting ortho product, but at 374 K, the product mainly is paraphenol sulfonic acid. Please repeat as many times as you can. Okay, dear, I am going to repeat it for the last time. Sulfonation with concentrated sulfuric acid at room temperature, ortho isomer is obtained. That is orthophenol sulfonic acid. At 374 K, we get paraphenol sulfonic acid. Yes, dear, I am going to note it, and then we are going to discuss halogenation. Our next heading is halogenation. Halogenation. With bromine water or chlorine water added to aqueous solution of phenol 2,4,6 tribromo trichloro-phenol is obtained. Is obtained. White precipitate. See here, this is your phenol. This is your 3Br2 water. We are getting dear students, our next heading is halogenation. When bromine water or chlorine water is added to aqueous solution of phenol, white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol is obtained. If we are using chlorine, then white precipitate of 2,4,6 trichlorophenol is obtained. Be careful. What we are doing here, our heading is halogenation. We are adding bromine water or chlorine water to aqueous solution of phenol. White precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol or trichlorophenol is obtained. The equation is phenol on the arrow bromine water, and you are getting here 2, 4, 6. White precipitate of 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol or trichlorophenol. So, students, this is the third reaction, halogen reaction. And now we are going to discuss under controlled condition. Under controlled condition. Under controlled condition. Controlled condition. In the presence of CS, carbon disulfide. In the presence of carbon disulfide at 0 degrees centigrade, orthobromophenol and parabromophenol is up. Please, under controlled condition, in the presence of carbon disulfide at 0 degrees centigrade, orthobromophenol and parabromophenol is operated. Be careful. Under controlled condition, in the presence of carbon disulfide at 0 degrees centigrade, orthobromophenol and parabromophenol is operated. The equation is